tech tip, use an extension, and if you can a long, for my boat here was a 4mm, just because it's you know, a little tight in here. The 4mm long extension, you'll be able to kind of be up here and tighten it, you know. I'll show you, like for instance this one here, you know, I can maneuver it and pull from here. I have my hands in there. And then I also noticed that in order to get this back bolt here, you know, naturally this thing's gonna want to tilt down. The bottom lever, the bottom part is gonna want to tilt down, so it's gonna be hard to align it. So what I did is I stuck a screwdriver right in here, right? If you can kind of, I can guide you underneath the actual system itself, the little adapter, and I kind of stuck it in there, and I, you know, pushed down, and it kind of helped lift it up a bit, and I was able to get that back bolt. But other than that, if you have, you know, the tools I first showed you, and then something to kind of pry it and leverage it, you'll be good. Don't forget to put some Loctite, and I'm virtually almost done to connect this back up, connect this evap sensor back on, put everything back on, and should be ready to rock. Let's see how it feels. Short shifter installed. eBay. Let's see how she feels. Should be in neutral. At least the car starts. Let's put her in drive. Let's see, even first gear right there goes in that quick. Yep. I'll turn this on.
Oh yeah, you could see a lot better with the light on.
A lot quicker. Like, I feel like before I would come here and I would have to come all the way like right here.
I guess it's better because the cup holder is right there.
Yeah.
That was risky.
I think it's a lot shorter. Even right here, look. 1. Look at the hand. 2. Watch this. Oh, you watch it? 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm telling you, I felt it after
You
the
felt it,
third gear.
Yeah. All right, let's see how it feels. You've driven it before, so you'll know.
I'll feel the difference.
You should. I think you've driven this car enough times to feel right. When I think you feel it the most when you go like from 1 to 2, from 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Well, you see. No? I see right now. Maybe when you get driving a little bit. I really felt it right away. Nothing?
Yeah, it is. Well, I guess I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for, feeling for.
You're supposed to be feeling the length of you having to go into the gear. I feel like before you used to go in 1, and then 2 was long, for sure. 3 was even longer, it felt like.
I feel it more coming down to 4.
From 3 to 4?
Yeah.
Like it's just quick, right? Watch, you feel it right now. Feel it, yeah. The short, it's a little shorter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? I'm telling you. 5.
Oh, yeah.
Go to 6, just out of shits and giggles because you're here. Right? I think it's a huge difference. Alright guys, if you guys noticed on the videos, there definitely is noticeable difference on the shifter. Like I said, I put it on the 25% of feel to, you know, get a little feel. It was either 15 or 25. At least that's what I'm, you know, thinking. Again, it's an eBay product, so don't be surprised if it's a little off. But other than that, the billet looked good, the part looked good. I put the blue thread locker on it to hold it in, even on the little ball. And it looked like it's responding pretty well. Got on it a little bit, felt good. But I'll check it out. I'll put the link of the product in the description if you want to look at it yourself. But for $20, I'm happy. Thank you, eBay.